guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be installing the famous taillights that go on 2020 GT50 Mustangs. Now these right here are the iced / clear lens taillights, AmericanMuscle.com. And so today we're going to be showing you guys how to install that on your Mustang. So let's open the box and let's get into it. So first things first, you're gonna have some screw-on, I guess you would call these nuts on the back end of your panel here. You want to go ahead and remove all 4 of those. Once you get those taken off, you should be able to take this panel and slide it out. There we go. Go ahead and remove that panel. Get it out of your way. That way we can access the bolts for the taillights. Now you are going to want to remove this pin right here on both sides. That way you can access the 3rd nut for your taillight. I believe it's a 10 millimeter. Yep, it's a 10 millimeter. There we go. And when you get it off, you're going to have a grommet here. You want to go ahead and remove that. So the wiring will be directly behind it. You want to go ahead and pop that grommet out. There we go. Pop the grommet out, and then go ahead and unplug it from the inside. Once you have it unplugged, you should be able to remove it. There we go. Comes right out. For the new ones, go ahead and repeat what you just did all backwards. So you go ahead and feed your wiring through here. Go ahead and put your grommet in. And go ahead and slide your taillight in. Perfect. And then go ahead and attach your wiring harness back together. Now it's time to put all the nuts back on. So now you're good to go ahead and put your nuts back on. So go ahead and start with the hardest one, which is the one that's further back. Go ahead and get that put on. You have that side all completed. Do not put any more on besides the nuts. You want to go ahead and start on the other side and get the other side taken off and assembled before reassembling everything else.